By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create a normal QR code, how to customize it, and best of all, how to add an image or logo right inside your QR code. First, head over to brandedqrcode.com. Click on Create Your QR Code. You'll see two options here. We'll use the design assistant later when we add an image to our QR code, but first, let's make a simple, normal QR code. You already have a base QR code on the screen. Set the detail level to 100 for best quality, paste in the link you want your QR code to lead to, and that's it. Now let's customize it. You can change the foreground and background colors, adjust the border settings, change the dot styles inside the QR code, and even modify the corner shapes for a unique look. You can also add a frame with a call to action like "Scan me." Now let's create a QR code with an image or logo. You can do it manually, but we'll use the design assistant to make it easier. We will also test if it scans once we have made it. Click Design Assistant, then upload your image. You can crop or resize it, and if it has a transparent background, you can even add a custom background color. When you're done, click Apply Changes. Give it a few seconds, and there you go. You'll see 6 different design options that maintain the right contrast so your QR code still scans perfectly. Click on the design you like and make any final tweaks. Always ensure one of the colors is a light color and the other is dark for clear contrast. You can test the scannability right here first. It shows a random link until you download the QR code. If it is not scanning, simply increase the QR detail level, then retry. Once you can scan it here, go ahead and download it. Let's scan it to make sure it works with the actual link. Perfect! Hit like and subscribe if you found this helpful.